Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, A Little from Everywhere. Now you must be wondering what this channel is about क्योंकि नाम तो थोड़ा सा weird सा है ना? But just like its name, it means that I have content from everywhere. It is not just limited to one specific thing, but whatever interesting I come across, this channel will be covering that. So watch this space for more. This is the first video of our 3 days journey from Greater Noida in Uttar Pradesh to Karjat in Maharashtra. We will be capturing the journey over 3 days and will be updating as and how we go. Enjoy the journey. Here comes the man who is the reason of this big step that we are taking of moving from a beautiful lavish 4 BHK to a tiny 2 BHK. So we are planning to reach Chittorgarh today. That was going to be the stop for the night, and tomorrow morning we will be resuming our journey from there. Now the thing is that Chittorgarh is about 600 kilometers from our house in Greater Noida. It should ideally take about 8 hours. Let's see how much time it exactly takes. We've started very late from home. It's about 11 a.m. The reason is that it is winter time in North India. Winters, all of you know, in North India are a foggy time. So we could only start once the fog cleared. It's 11 a.m. now. Let's see what time do we actually reach Chittorgarh. So in these 3 days, we have to cover a total distance of 1,444 kilometers. Never have we ever driven so much in life. So the maximum that we've done is about 600 kilometers or maybe 700. But this is our first long journey and we're surely looking forward to it. So a little correction is required here. पहले मैंने बोला था the journey is 1,444 kilometers. Instead it is 1,600 kilometers. 1600 किलोमीटर ड्राइव करना पड़ेगा. अच्छे से बैंड बज जाने वाली है हमारी. बट फिर भी we have taken up the challenge, so we will live up to it. So अब मैं आपको थोड़ा सा अपने रूट के बारे में बता देती हूँ. D1 का रूट जो है वो हमारा है ग्रेटर नोएडा से ईस्टर्न पेरिफेरल, वहाँ से दिल्ली मुंबई एक्सप्रेसवे टिल दौसा, वहां से अजमेर बाईपास से भीलवाड़ा एंड भीलवाड़ा से चित्तौड़गढ़. और पूरा दिन ड्राइव करते करते फाइनली वी हैव रीच्ड इमेजिका रिजॉर्ट्स इन चित्तौड़गढ़. अभी आज हम रात को यहाँ पे रुकेंगे, सुकून से सोएंगे और फिर कल अपनी जर्नी रिज्यूम करेंगे. A fantastic dinner for the night. Light is Hi, so day one of our journey has ended. We started early in the morning at 11 a.m. because there was fog, as I said earlier, and now we have reached Chittorgarh. This is Imagica Resorts in Chittorgarh, a very, very beautiful resort, and we had a fantastic, delicious, and amazing vegetarian meal for the night. I'm a vegetarian, of course, but my husband didn't mind skipping his favorite halmas for the lovely seafood mutton that we had here. So now we'll be done resting for the night, hoping for a beautiful day tomorrow also. We've heard that there is fog, so we intended to start early initially, but now we have to see. Okay, bye bye. Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel, A Little from Everywhere. Now, you must be wondering what this channel is about. क्योंकि नाम तो थोड़ा सा weird सा है ना? But just like its name, it means that I have content from everywhere. It is not just limited to one specific thing, but whatever interesting I come across, this channel will be covering that. So watch this space for more. Stay tuned.